channel. If you're new, my name is Tanya from Little Vintage Cottage, and today I am back with a makeover project in my own house, which it's been a minute since I've posted any projects from my own house. I've been busy with my daughter working on her little house that she's renting from me. So we have some videos on the channel for some of those makeovers, and we are still working on that, but I took a little break and did a project in our bedroom that I've been planning on doing since we bought this house like 2 years ago. So it's high time that I got it done.
So these are the closet doors in our bedroom, and I've had a vision for them since we first moved into this house. So I'm going to start by giving the doors a base coat of the same white that we've used throughout the house on all the walls, which is Polar Bear White by Bear Paint. I gave the doors 2 coats of paint, and I focused a lot more on the top half of the doors because I knew the bottom half would have a design. And then I left them to dry overnight with our fan on. And then I started transferring the design that I wanted to paint onto the doors. I used this hat to make a circle for the sun that I will be painting, and then I just kind of freehand drew in real lightly with a pencil the mountains that I'm painting. These are the colors that I chose for this project, and I just got some little sample pots mixed up. The first one that I'm using here is called Minestrone, and so I started by just going along the pencil line that I had drawn in, with a brush, and then I went in with a roller for this one because it's the largest part of the design. I went in with a small sponge roller for the remainder, and I did give these 2 coats of paint. Next, I'm going to paint the sun, and this is the color I chose, which appropriately is named Sunburst. So I did this whole part, in fact the whole rest of the door I did just with brushes. For the middle section of the mountains, I chose Portuguese Dawn. And the last color that I chose is called California Coral for the last mountain. do still have a couple of little things I need to take care of.
One is the cord here. I need to cover that with a cord hider. You can see a little bit of it here. And also for the antenna, the cord runs up over the closet door. So it's hidden pretty well over here with the black ceiling that we painted, but over here it needs to be hidden. So I need to work on that.